Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another unboxing video. And in today's unboxing video, we're going to be unboxing the Embraer ERK-145 for American Eagle by Gemini Jets. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here's the front of the box. It's a really basic Gemini Jets box. And here are the sides. This was a Christmas present, so that's why there's a whole bunch of wrapping paper on the back. 2021 Gemini Jets release. There is the flap. And there's a model. And let's crack this baby open. And so there it is. The Embraer ERK-145. It's quite a good looking model, especially in that American Eagle livery. American Eagle has a pretty good livery. American Airlines is pretty good overall, except they're kind of late sometimes. And you'll find that out in maybe a few trip reports from now. I don't really know how I'm gonna schedule them and release them, but I was pretty late in one of them. But here's the model. It's beautiful. It's got the yellow, and these are gonna be hard to see, signature Embraer little yellow things, little yellow pitot tubes, I think they are, on there. You can just kind of see them. But yeah, other than that, it's a very good model, very good addition to the airport. Anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching. See you next week for another unboxing video.